Air pollution. Worldwide, air pollution emissions add up to billions of metric tons per year. Air pollution impairs human health, damages crops and ecosystems, and corrodes buildings and infrastructure. Globally, some of the worst air pollution situations are found in India and China. In many Indian cities, airborne dust, smoke, and soot are often 20 times higher than levels considered safe for human health. According to the World Health Organization, 10 of the world's 20th smoggiest cities are in India. India's urban residents are 6 times more likely than rural people to die of lung cancer. Respiratory ailments, cardiovascular disease, lung cancer, infant mortality, and miscarriages are as much as 50% higher in countries with high pollution levels than those with cleaner air. In 2018, a group of 40 distinguished health experts concluded that air pollution kills some 6.5 million people worldwide, and about 92% of those deaths occur in low-income countries where pollution control policies are weak and healthcare is uncertain. Although many of our smoggiest cities are located in Asia and India, we often don't remember that only a few decades ago, many American and European cities also endured conditions similar to those currently being seen in India and China. Chronic bad air and occasional severe smog events gradually led to the adoption of pollution controls. Legal enforcement of those rules has improved, and many of you today don't realize that our air quality once was really, really bad. Many American and European cities still have bad air and air pollution issues, especially port cities, oil and gas extraction areas, and industrial cities are particularly hard hit. But in the past 40 years, air quality protections have increased in number and in effectiveness, greatly improving public health. Cleaning our air has been an American and European success story. However, currently we're starting to see that many of those laws and regulations that helped keep our air clean and improve our overall health are starting to be rolled back, and this is something that should be very concerning to you. The other issue is looking at the idea that air pollution really isn't an American or European or Chinese or an Indian problem. Air is constantly circulated throughout the entire globe. So if there's an air pollution problem in India, those particulates and those chemicals that are in the air are easily going to eventually, through wind, weather, and the cycles of airflow patterns, going to make their way to the United States. So cleaning our air and keeping our air clean needs to be a global cooperation. In our country, the legislation that is involved in cleaning our air is called the Clean Air Act. It has been revised many different times, and unfortunately, many of the standards that have been set in the Clean Air Act are starting to be rolled back and loosened, relaxed. This is going to create an air pollution problem in the future as we allow industries and businesses, mining and oil companies to start putting more and more chemicals back into the air. This chapter will look at the different causes of air pollution, how we measure air pollution, and then various things that can be done to help reduce the amount of pollutants that are put into the air.